Be ready. Start. The Industrial Finance Corporation Act was passed in the year 1948 to set up an institution for providing medium and long-term credit to industrial concerns in India. So, the idea is that in due course the Industrial Finance Corporation would give loans to medium and large-sized industrial concerns. Stop. Subsequently, the State Financial Corporation Act was passed in 1951 primarily for the help of smaller industrial units. Stop. The Industrial Finance Corporation Act was amended in 1949 and 1957. Stop. The main amendments effected on the last occasion were to authorize the corporation to guarantee deferred payments in respect of import of capital goods from abroad and to enhance the corporation's borrowing powers. Stanza. The House would have already noticed the significant improvement during the last year in the overall business of the corporation as revealed in its annual report for the year ended 30th June 1960, which was laid on the table of the House a few weeks ago. Stop. I would like particularly to invite the attention of the House to the all-time record total loans approved by the corporation. Stop. Another good feature is that out of fresh loans approved this time, the share of industries situated in relatively less industrially developed states like Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Delhi and Rajasthan is quite sizable. Stop. The profits of the corporation during the last year have also recorded a substantial increase over that of the previous year. Stop. The corporation has been able to augment its reserves appreciably. Stop. During the last 3 years, the corporation has paid back to the central government over rupees 25 lakhs on account of the subvention received by it in earlier years for the discharge of its liability to pay a guaranteed dividend. Stop. The House may also be aware that for the first time since its inception, the corporation has secured a foreign exchange credit of $10 million from the Development Loan Fund of the U.S. government for sublending to industrial concern in India. Stop. This will further increase the usefulness of the corporation. Stanza. The progress already achieved by the corporation is substantially and the role it is expected to play in the coming third plan period would be a significant one. Stop. It is therefore desirable to equip the organization at this stage adequately. Full stop. Over.